Hello, welcome to It's My Twist by Sunila. Today I am going to show you CKP style chicken curry. Of course, when it's My Twist by Sunila, there has to be a small twist. You will enjoy it. So let's get going. Here are the ingredients. I have taken full chicken cut up. It's about 3 pounds or 1.5 kgs. Then finely chopped onion, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, ginger garlic paste. This is green masala, as we say it in Marathi, hirva watan. It is nothing but green chilies and coriander leaves. This is our talla masala. Again, if you do not have talla masala or fried onion masala blend, the link will be given in my video. If you do not have this, that's fine. It's okay. You can omit this, but if you have it, use it. Of course, coconut milk. This is Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder. This is plain tikkat or plain chili powder, coriander powder, and this is badishep, saunf. This is kanda lasun masala and garam masala. So usually for our CKP tikkat, we already have coriander powder and saunf or badishep mixed into this, but I don't have CKP tikkat, so I have used plain chili powder. So if you do not have CKP chili powder or CKP tikkat, you can take plain chili powder and then just add coriander powder and badishep. Let's get going. So let us start with the marination. This is chicken. I'm going to add turmeric powder, chili powder. Now since I do not have CKP tikkat, I'm going to add coriander powder, badishep or saunf powder, Kashmiri chili powder, of course ginger garlic paste, and green masala or hirva watan, salt as per taste, you can always add salt later, and I will also add little bit of oil, not much, about a tablespoon or so, and then mix it well. Keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. If you keep it longer, nothing like it. Sometimes when I have time, I marinate it and keep it in the refrigerator for almost a day. But with our busy lifestyle, it's okay if you can marinate it and keep it aside for half an hour. That's fine too. So this is marinated now. I will keep it aside. And then we will come back after 30 minutes. Again, I forgot to put hing or asafoetida, about half a teaspoon. Very important ingredient for CKP chicken or mutton dishes. Heat the pot, put oil. Once it's hot, put bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Now add finely chopped onion. It's very interesting that our authentic CKP mutton or chicken curry does not have tomatoes. Tomatoes is something, as my mother used to say, new generation's way of making chicken or mutton. But authentic chicken curry or mutton curry, my moms or my mother-in-law never used tomatoes. So since I am showing the authentic chicken curry, I am not putting tomatoes in the chicken. But sometimes I do. Today I will. Cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. So open the lid in between just to check that the onions are not burning. You don't want to make it too brown, just make sure that the onions are translucent and turning into brown color, but don't burn them. So I will put the lid again for a minute or so. So again after a minute or so, now I will add chicken. This has been marinating for about 35 to 40 minutes now. We do not add yogurt or tomatoes into our chicken curry. Instead we take cut lemon when we have our dinner. But we do not add the original recipe. The original CKP recipe will not add yogurt or tomatoes. Mix it well. Mix well. Do not add any water because chicken will release juices, and for first few minutes I will cover it, put a plate on this, put water on top of that and let it steam or let it cook without any water, additional water being added. I'll put a lid. I'm going to add water into this yummy bowl which has all the juices and the marination. I do not want to waste it. Please do not waste this yummy tasty marination, and pour it on the lid. Never ever put cold water into meat dishes. The meat becomes tough and it doesn't taste good. So put water on top of a pan, and then we will add this hot water in the chicken later. Reduce it and on medium high let it cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. So after 4 to 5 minutes, remove the lid. Try to mix. See, already chicken has left its juices. Mix well. Cover. I have still not added water. I will wait for another 2 to 3 minutes and then add water. So after another 3-4 minutes, now I will add this hot water. I will mix it well. And let it simmer for a few more minutes. Again I will add water on top and let it cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. So after about 10 to 12 minutes of chicken being simmered, let me check if it is cooked properly. Looks yummy. Yes, it's cooked very well. Now I will add fried onion masala blend, or in Marathi as we say tarlela masala. If you have it, use it. If you don't have it, no big deal. You may miss this. Then I will add garam masala powder, and I will also add kanda lasun masala. Usually I would add this if I don't have tarlela masala, but I like both. I like tarlela masala and I like kanda lasun powder also. Kanda lasun masala also. Mix it well. You can increase the temperature now, and I will add coconut milk. I have warmed this in the microwave, so it's not cold. Let me cover this and let it boil for a few minutes. Wow, this is ready. Let me check if the salt is okay. Perfect. So thank you for watching, and again please click on the title of the video for full and complete recipe. As I said, CKP style chicken curry is very easy instructions. If you do not have, tarlela masala or fried onion masala blend, that's fine. You can do it without it. The taste will be amazing no matter what. I will garnish it with coriander, and tonight I'm going to have with steamed white rice. Again, thank you for watching. Enjoy.